Got a busy beehive here. I'm about a foot away with a camera. And there's another couple of them. People's fear of bees is really unnecessary. If you stay calm and don't go crazy and start swatting around, they're not going to do you nothing. See, I'm going to prove that. See, there are the bees. This is my hand. No attack, no nothing. Of course, only if they're not Africanized. If they would be Africanized, African bees, killer bees, I would not have even gotten close to my hives. They would have been attacking me from several feet away. Basically, as soon as they would detect vibration or carbon dioxide from my breath, then Africanized bees attack. And they won't let go. Even if you jump in a pool or in a ditch or in a lake, they know you have to come back out to breathe, and that's when they're going to get you. Alright. Hope you enjoyed my little video.